Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add shadow image in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Express document. Now you can see. Then I show the start from your content. Now for select. Now select from image. Now click for open option. Then I show the interface. Now click for edit image option. Now wait for a moment. Then I show the interface. Now select from effect option. Now you can see. Then I show the shadow. Now in a shadow. That it's. Now you can see the shadow image in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.